This is Andrea with Fantastic Voyages on the Norwegian Prima. We're going to look at room 5146, which is an ocean view with round window. Let's go back here and check out. We'll start with the closet. There's a closet behind the door, but there's a door stop that we cannot move at the moment, but it is an open closet. This is one with a door. And honestly, this looks very much like a balcony, except for without the balcony. You have the baskets that slide in and out. This can move to come down to be a shelf. Sorry, it's hard to do with just one hand. That's pretty cool. And then we'll go over this other one. And more sliding baskets at the bottom. Let's check out the bathroom, which so far has looked like all of the other bathrooms in all the other room categories. Interior, balcony, even one of the suites. Shelves, plenty of shelf space. And you do have space under the sink as well. Nice size bathroom for a cruise, for a ship. And the shower is definitely very nice for a ship. You have a drawer and mini fridge. A couple of shelves up there. You have a plug down here and plugs right there. Nice big round window with a shelf. Great view out. And you do have a couple drawers right here at the nightstand and plug over here, USB in the lamps. That is Oceanview on the Norwegian Prima.